वेलकम टू ट्रेड विथ ईएमए चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। Tishman Carbo AMSIS Limited, as I told yesterday, it may go up, and today it has been gone. That is, it rised up to 11%. You can see it has been opened at 121 and it gone up to high of 137.95. You can see it gone more than 11% up today. So it has been successfully analysis this chart. In day trend, it may go up tomorrow also. You can see here again a bullish candle is formed, that is green candle. You can see as the MA also cutted yesterday only, that is Friday. You can see the resistance has been, this candle is been closed above the resistance, that is here 131.74. so it may go up to 154. It can reach up to 154, as here 134 is the level. If it forms a candle above 134 crossing this 200-day exponential moving average, then it will be successfully go in a bullish trend daily. As the volume has been increased, you can see clearly today the volume is being increased. Here the RSI also increased to 64. Here the MACD signal is up, volume increased. Here parabolics are indicating up sign continuously. Here super trend also showing. I think tomorrow may also be up, this candle. This is the resistance. Here is the resistance in 1-day chart. It can be moved easily up from here. The MACD and volume showing here, the parabolics are and super trend is showing uptrend in 1-day chart. You can proceed. We will see in 15-minute chart. Here volume has been decreased. The volume has been decreased. Here the volume decreased. The MACD is showing down sign and the RSI has been 54. RSI 54. Here EMA crossover has been seen, but the longer trend here, I think here I will zoom. I think this will take this EMA, that is VWAP. Here is the support, that is at 130.67. Here this is the support, that is 130.67. It may touch tomorrow 130.67 and again it may bounce back, that is from touching here, then it will go up, I think. it may go up to the 135 level. This can be easily broken, the resistance, and this will become support. If again tomorrow also the volume has been increased, that is the buyers increased rapidly, then this stock will perform upward trend tomorrow also. You can see in the 15-minute chart the trend is going up in this manner, upside in 15-minute chart. The trend is upside, as here there is a small cut has been taken like this, that is it's diverting like this. It may bounce back up also by touching this from here, this point support. In weekly chart, the chart is showing bullish. You can see here the MACD has been given signal. Here RSI is 51. The volume has increased. And here the exponential moving average has been clear cut, indicated, has been cutted. Here it is going up. The candle formed here 135 is the resistance in the weekly chart. So if 135 has been break in weekly, that is this week, it may break 135 levels and it will go up if this resistance has been breakout. Also the volume has been increased. Like that, if the volume continuously increase, the chart will up, that is the stock will up easily. Here the trend line is showing the bearish sign, but the stock is going to up. It can break this level, that is 135. Here in the weekly resistance can be broken out, and the stock can go faster up and up if it may possible easily. Here in the long term, that is 1 month chart, here also the bullish indication is been given, small cut here, that is EMA has been cutted. Here also there is a resistance in the monthly chart at the 133 point. This point is very important for long term. If the monthly breaks this 135 candle, that is this resistance 135. Then the stock moves up and up and up and up. It will go up in a high. Here the volume increased. Here the MACD, you can see it's not showing full. After this month it may go up. It crosses, then it will definitely go up. Here there is the 1 day chart. The candle has been closed above the resistance. This stock may up tomorrow again. It will continue its trend, I think so. So you must know basic knowledge way to enter the trade and exit the trade. So please check yourself before trade. Don't just trade as they said or you said or me said, like that. Think before trade. Analysis yourself the chart and choose whether to trade or not. Take a right decision after analyzing the chart. Okay, be alert, stay alert. Thank you for the watching. Please subscribe.